How are you, dear families of my channel? Welcome to the class. In the previous times discussion, I was explaining about balancing chemical equations using the three of the methods: the inspection method, or trial and error method, the LCM method, and the algebraic methods. One of these methods can be used to solve any balancing problems as you need, depending on the complexity or the simplicity of the equations which are provided. In today's lesson, what I'm going to explain is the exercise question 1.2 questions. Okay, under this exercise, the questions involved are the types of the inspection method and the LSM and the algebraic methods. All the items are involved. Okay, for example, the first question number 1 is concerning about balancing chemical equation using the inspection method. It says therefore, it concerns about the reaction between sodium and water to give sodium hydroxide base and hydrogen gas. Okay. If you are just going to solve the balancing problems using the inspection method, you should be focusing about the systematical situation of the atoms of elements. For instance, here, if you are looking hydrogen here 1, here hydrogen 2, or in the product side 1 plus 2, 3 hydrogens. But in the reactant side, we have only 2 hydrogens, and this hydrogen is written as molecule of water. That is, this is subscript. The subscript is multiplying any coefficient. If you remember, balancing chemical equation will be attained only by using the coefficients. Okay, by adding coefficients to the atoms of elements which are less in number in either side of the equation, either in the reactant or in the product side. Therefore, here, since hydrogen having a multiplier 2 multiplying any odd number or even number, the product will be even, because number 2 is even number. Therefore, this number must be changed into even. This hydrogen must be changed into even number as follow. That's the first even number is number 2. Okay. Now the subscript of sodium is 1, and that of oxygen is 1, and that of hydrogen is 1. Okay. Therefore, 2 times 1, 2 sodium, 2 times 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 2 times 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen, here also 2 hydrogen. Okay. Therefore, what is better, 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen. In order to make the number of hydrogen equal, just we should put 2 in front of this hydrogen. Okay, in front of these 2 hydrogens. Now hydrogen 2 times 2, 4. Oxygen also is 2 times. Here there is number 1. 2 times 1 is 2 oxygen. Here we have 2 oxygen. Okay, what remained? Sodium in the product side is 2, in the reactant is 1. Therefore, we can add number 2 coefficient in front of sodium atom. Okay. Now, yes, the equation is balanced. Why? Because you can see that sodium in the reactant, hydrogen in the reactant, and oxygen in the reactant. Sodium means 2, hydrogen 2 times 2, oxygen 2 times 1, 2. In the product, sodium, oxygen, hydrogen. Sodium 2 times 1, 2, oxygen 2 times 1, 2, hydrogen 2 times 1, 2, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, hydrogen 4 in the reactant and the product also 4. Sodium 2, sodium 2. Oxygen 2, oxygen also is a product 2. Therefore, the equation is balanced. Okay. The next equation, for example, C, question number C, the composition of hydrogen peroxide. C, this is A, this is C, okay. When hydrogen peroxide decomposes, the products will be water plus oxygen. Okay. Okay. Therefore, just be systematical. In order to solve the problem using an inspection method, should be systematically observing the atoms of elements. Here, oxygen 1, oxygen 2. Here, oxygen 2, hydrogen 2. Here, hydrogen 2, hydrogen no problem. But oxygen here 1 plus 2 3. But here is 2. Therefore, it must be converted into even number. The first even number which converts it into even number is 2. 2 times 1, 2 oxygen. 2 oxygen plus 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen is the product. Therefore, here in the reactant, we have 2 oxygen. In order to make it 4, we should use coefficient 2. Therefore, 2 times 2 hydrogen, 2 times 2 oxygen. 2 times 2 oxygen means 4 oxygen. Here 2 plus 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Hydrogen 2 times 2, 4. Hydrogen 2 times 2, 4. Okay, therefore the equation is balanced. Therefore, that means like this one is hydrogen 2 times 2, 4. Oxygen 2 times 2, 4. Is a product hydrogen, oxygen. Hydrogen 2 times 2, 4. Oxygen 2 times 1, 2 plus here 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, oxygen 4, 4, hydrogen 4, 4. Well, the other ones, when you see question number D, that is number 1D, D, aluminum reacts with phosphoric acid, gives aluminum phosphate plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Now, what we are going to observe again systematically. To be systematical is very important. Therefore, here hydrogen is 2, but here hydrogen is 3. Therefore, what number makes them equal is just interchanging the subscript of this one as coefficient of this one, subscript of this hydrogen into the coefficient of this one. Therefore, these 3 coefficient of this hydrogen, these 2 coefficient of this hydrogen, and totally the compound. Okay, totally the compound. Now hydrogen is 2 times 3, 6. Hydrogen is 3 times 2, 6. Good. But here phosphates PO4 is 2 because this coefficient multiply everything which is found within the given molecule. Okay, therefore here 2 PO4, but PO4 is 1. Here, can we write it? No, impossible. We should be writing coefficient. Always coefficient must be used to balance chemical equation. The coefficient of the given molecule or formula of compound. Okay, now phosphate is 2 because this 2 means 2 aluminum and 2 phosphate. Phosphate is also here is 2. What's remained? Aluminum here is 2, aluminum here is 1. We can put 2 as coefficient of aluminum in order to make the equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. Okay. Therefore, now this is the aluminum is equal to 2, hydrogen 2 times 3 6, phosphorus 2 times 1, here 1, 2 times 1 is equal to 2, oxygen 2 times 4. Okay, here in the product aluminum, here 1, 2 times 1 2, here phosphorus also 1, phosphorus 2 times 1 2, oxygen 2 times 4, eight, and hydrogen 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now aluminum 2 in the product. The reactant hydrogen is 6, hydrogen in the product is 6. Phosphorus 2, phosphorus is 2. Oxygen is 8, oxygen is also 8. Therefore the equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. Okay. When we come to question number 1E, you see, this is just the reaction taking place between nitric acid and hydrogen sulfide to produce the nitric oxide, means nitrogen monoxide plus water plus sulfur. Okay, therefore this is the equation of the reaction. To which point should we start to balance this equation? Should be again systematical. Okay, here hydrogen, again to be focused here, we have 2 hydrogen, 2 multiplied by any number, it becomes even. Okay, here hydrogen is 2, but here hydrogen is 1. Therefore, in order to make it even, because this is the product of this one as hydrogen is even, should be the hydrogen found in the reactant also must be even. Therefore, what number makes even is the first even number is 2 is better to be chosen. Okay, we should choose number 2 as coefficient of nitric acid. Now hydrogen here 2 is subscript of hydrogen 1, nitrogen is 1, oxygen 3, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, nitrogen 1, oxygen 1, here hydrogen 2, oxygen 1, here sulfur subscript is 1. Why just I'm shining here is the subscripts play great role in balancing chemical equations, because coefficients will be multiplying the subscripts also. Okay, while we are going to balance the equation. Okay, therefore here we have 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen, totally 4 hydrogen. Okay, just add 2 in front of water molecule in order to make the hydrogen 4. 2 times 2, 4 hydrogens. Okay, hydrogen, no problem, it is balanced. And the nitrogen, 2 times 1, 2 nitrogen, again put 2 in front of NO. Therefore, nitrogen is 2 in the product also. In the reactant, oxygen 2 times 3, 6. But in the product, 2 times 1, 2. Here also 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore, the equation is not balanced for the case of oxygen. And therefore, this method of balancing is trial and error method of balancing. Okay? If you are just using one number and that cannot bring the balance equation, you should change the coefficient and try another way. Okay? Okay, therefore just let it be stayed here as number 2, because if you are increasing the coefficient of this nitric acid, this will be multiplying the oxygen to a larger extent. The oxygen in the reactant will be more and more than the oxygen found in the product side, because the oxygen found in the product side having subscript 1 1 only. Therefore, the multipliers of coefficients will multiply only a little extent in the product side. Okay, therefore, without changing this one, we should change the value of this one or the coefficient of this one. For example, if you make it 3, okay, and try our best, the hydrogen here is 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 6. Here 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. The hydrogen 8 is the reactant. To make it 8, we should write number 4 in front of water molecule, because 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen. The hydrogen is now balanced. Okay? Okay. 2 times 1 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Here also 2 nitrogen. Good. Oxygen 2 times 3, 6 oxygen in the reactant. Oxygen 2 times 1, 2, plus 4 times 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 oxygen. Here 6 oxygen. In the product also, oxygen is 6. Good. What's remained here? Sulfur. 3 times 1 is sulfur, 3 in the reactant side. But in the product side, it is still 1. Therefore, what number makes it equal with this one is this writing 3 in front of sulfur. Now the equation is balanced. You can list down the atoms in the reactant and product. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Hydrogen here 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Nitrogen here 2 times 1, 2. Oxygen 2 times 3, 6. Sulfur 3 times 1, 3. Is the product nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen and sulfur. Okay, nitrogen 2 times 1, 2. Oxygen 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Hydrogen 4 times 2. Sulfur is equal to 3 times 1, that is 3. Now here hydrogen 8, hydrogen 8. Nitrogen 2, nitrogen 2. Oxygen 6, oxygen 6. Sulfur 3, sulfur 3. The equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. Question number 2. Question number 2A. A says that sodium bromide reacts with chlorine. Sodium plus chlorine gives sodium chloride plus bromine. Chlorine is the atomic molecular element, bromine also the atomic molecular element. If they are alone, if they do not have compound, they will be found as Cl2 and Br2. Okay? Therefore, since the chlorine in the reactant side is 2, but if the product is 1, we cannot write 2 here. Okay? We cannot write numbers as subscripts to balance chemical equation. Only coefficients can be used. Therefore, write 2 in front of sodium chloride. This 2 means 2 times sodium, 2 times chlorine. Sodium is 1, chlorine is 1. Therefore, 2 times 1, 2 sodium, 2 times 1, 2 chlorine. Okay. Now, the chlorine is 2, chlorine is also 2. But sodium here in the product side is 2. Therefore, 2, writing 2 in front of sodium bromide makes the sodium equal. Okay. Therefore, 2 sodium and 2 bromine. Okay, here sodium is 1, bromine also 1. 2 times 1, 2 sodium, 2 times 1, 2 bromine. Here bromine also 2 is the product side. Therefore, the equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. Okay, the other question, when calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, what will be formed? B. Okay, when calcium carbonate decomposed by acid or react with acid like this hydrochloric acid, the salt, calcium chloride and carbon dioxide gas, this gas will be liberated out and water will be formed. Okay, water will be formed as such, as you can see. Okay, therefore what must be done here? Just look at systematical way of just observation. Here chlorine 2, but chlorine here 1. We cannot write here 2 to make it equal with this one. That's coefficient. Should write coefficient 2 in front of hydrogen and chlorine, that is in front of HCl. Therefore here hydrogen is 2, chlorine also is 2. 2 times 1, 2 hydrogen, 2 times 1, 2 chlorine. Okay, but here hydrogen is 2, of course, hydrogen is also 2. Okay, oxygen is a product, 2 plus 1, here 1, 2 plus 1, 3 oxygen is a product, oxygen is the reactant is also 3. Calcium 1, calcium 1, carbon 1 in here in the reactant, carbon is 2, I mean 1 in the product also. Okay, therefore the equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. When you come to C, question number 1, this is by the way D, this is E. E, silver oxide decompose. When silver oxide decomposed by heat, it gives silver metal and oxygen gas. Okay, by decomposition process, silver oxide is heated and splits or decomposed into silver metal and oxygen gas. Here silver is 2 but oxygen is 1. Okay, oxygen here 1 but silver here 1, oxygen is 2. Okay, since oxygen is 2, we cannot write 2 here, but always what must be balancing number? The coefficients. Coefficient 2 must be written in front of silver oxide. Now here 2 times 1, 2 oxygen. Oxygen here 2 oxygen. Good. Okay, but silver is 2 times 2 because this 2 subscript is belonging to silver. It is not to oxygen. Therefore 2 times 2, 4 silver. And therefore we can write 4 coefficients of silver. That means you can put like this one: silver in the reactant is equal to 2 times 2, 4. Oxygen in the reactant 2 times 1, 2. Silver is the product is equal to 4 times 1, 4. Oxygen 1 times 2, 2. Therefore oxygen 2, oxygen 2, silver 4, silver 4. The equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. Okay, በአማርኛ ይህንን የተማራችሁትን እስቲ ልግለጽላችሁ። ኦኬ፣ እና እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ሶዲየም ከውሃ ጋር ሲዋሃድ ሶዲየም ሃይድሮክሳይድ ቤዝ እና ሃይድሮጅን ጋዝ ይፈጠራል። በዚህ ሂደት ውስጥ ሲስተማቲካል የሆነ እይታ ሊኖረን ይገባል። ሁሉ ጊዜ ባላንስ በምናደርግ ጊዜ ብለናል። ለምንድነው እሺ ክሊር? ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ሃይድሮጅን አንድ ነው፣ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ነው። ሁለት ድምር በፕሮዳክት ሳይድ በኩል ያለው ሃይድሮጅን 3 ነው ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ሃይድሮጅን ሰብስክሪፕት 2 ነው። 2 ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር የምናስቀምጠው ማንኛውንም ቁጥር ይሄ ሁለት ቁጥር ሲያባዛው ኢቭን ነው የሚሆንልን ኢቭን ማለት ለሁለት የሚገመስ ማለት ነው ኦኬ ስለዚህ ሁለት ጊዜ 3 ብናደርገው 3 ጊዜ 2 6 ይሆናል 5 ብናደርገው 5 ጊዜ 2 10 ይሆናል ስለዚህ ኢቭን ስለሚሆን ይሄ ደግሞ ኦድ ነው ኦዱን ወደ ኢቭን መቀየር አለብን ወደ ኢቭን የሚቀየርልን ቁጥር የመጀመሪያው ቁጥር ማን ነው ሁለት ቁጥር ነው ስለዚህ ሁለት አድርገን ሞክረው ሁለት ጊዜ አንድ ሁለት ሃይድሮጅን እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ሁለት ሃይድሮጅን አራት ሃይድሮጅን አለን አራት እንዲሆንልን ይሄንን ከፊት ለፊቱ ስንት ብናስቀምጥ ይሻላል ሁለት ለምን ሁለት ጊዜ ሁለት አራት ሃይድሮጅን ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው ኦኬ አሁን ሃይድሮጅን አራት ነው ኦክሲጅን ሁለት ነው ኦክሲጅን ከዚህ ጋር ሁለት ቁጥር ይሄንንም ያንዳንዳቸውን ይሄንን ሶስቱንም ያንዳንዳቸውን ያባዛልናል ኮኤፊሺየንት የሚባለው ቁጥር ማለት ነው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ሶዲየም ሁለት ኦክሲጅን እና ሁለት ሃይድሮጅን እንዳለን እርግጥ ነው መጠራጠር የለባቸው እዚህ ጋር ሃይድሮጅን 2 times 2 4 ነው እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ 2 times 1 2 plus 2 4 ነው ኦክሲጅን 2 times 1 2 ነው ኦክሲጅን 2 times 1 2 ነው ሶዲየም 2 times 1 2 ነው ሶዲየም እዚህ ጋር አንድ ነው ስለዚህ ይሄንን ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት 2 እናደርጋለን እዛ በዚህ ስሌት መሰረት ታሰሉት ታገኙታላችሁ ማለት ሶዲየም እዚህ ጋር 2 ነው ሃይድሮጅን ደግሞ 2 times 4 ነው oxygen 2 times 1 2 ነው finished the product sodium 2 times 1 2 ነው 2 times 1 oxygen ደግሞ again 2 ነው hydrogen ደግሞ 2 times 1 2 እዚህ plus 2 4 2 plus 2 4 ይሄ ነው ማለት ነው ባላንስ ይደረግ ይሄ ደግሞ ሃይድሮጅን ፐሮክሳይድ የሚባል ኦክሲዳይዚንግ ኤጀንት ነው ሊኩዊድ ነው ዲኮምፖዝ ሲያደርግ ወደ ውሃና ወደ ኦክሲጅን ዲኮምፖዝ ያደርጋል አሁን በዚህ ጋር ሁለት ቁጥር ነው የጨመርንበት ኦክሲጅን አንድ ስለሆነ አንድና ሁለት 3 ስለሆነ እዚህ ጋር ግን 3 ሊሆን ስለማይችል ኦድ ነምበር ሊሆን ስለማይችል ኢቭን ማድረግ አለብን ብለን ነው እንደላይኛው አካሄድ ነው የተጠቀምነው ስለዚህ ሁለት ጊዜ አንድ ሁለት ኦክሲጅን ሁለትና ሁለት አራት ኦክሲጅን ሊሆንልን ከዚህ ጋር ሁለት እናደርጋለን ለምን ሁለት ጊዜ ሁለት አራት ስለሆነ ግራ መንገዱን ሃይድሮጅንም 2 times 2 4 ሆኖልናል አራት ሆኖልናል ሃይድሮጅን እዚህ ጋር 2 times 2 አራት ሆኗል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ በዚህ መልኩ ባላንስ ሆነ ማለት ነው ይሄ አሉሚኒየም ፎስፎሪክ አሲድ ጋር ሲዋሃድ አሉሚኒየም ፎስፌት እና ሃይድሮጅን ጋር ይፈጠራል እናም ምንድነው የምናደርገው ሃይድሮጅንን ፎከስ እናደርግ እዚህ ጋር ሃይድሮጅን በሪአክታንት በኩል 3 ነው በፕሮዳክት ግን 2 ነው ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ሲመጣ የአንድ ኤሌመንቶች ቁጥሮች የተለያዩ ሆነው ሲመጡ ያንደኛው ሳብስክሪፕት ለሌላኛው ኮኤፊሺየንት አድርገን ስንጠቀም ባላንስ ይወልዳል የዚህኛው ሳብስክሪፕት ለዚህኛው ኮኤፊሺየንት ለዚህኛው ሃይድሮጅን ፊት ለፊቱ አድርገን አስቀምጥልናል የዚህን ሳብስክሪፕት ደግሞ ለዚህኛው ኮኤፊሺየንት አደረግነው እዛ በኋላ ሃይድሮጅን እኩል ይሆናል ሃይድሮጅን እኩል ሲሆን ሌላ ነገር ግን እንነካለን ሌላ ነገር ይነካል ማን ነው የሚነካው ፎስፌት እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ሁለት PO4ንም ሁለት ያደርገዋል ስለዚህ PO4 ሁለት እንዲሆንልን እዚህ ጋር ፊት ለፊቱ PO4ን ሁለት እንዲያደርግልን ሁለት ቁጥር እንጨምራለን ማለት ነው ሁለት ቁጥር ስንጨምር አሉሚኒየም ሁለት አደረገው አሉሚኒየም ሁለት ሲሆን እግረ መንገዱን ይሄን ልንሰራ ስንል ይሄም አሉሚኒየም ሁለት ሆነ ስለዚህ በሪአክታንት በኩል ወስደን ሁለት ቁጥር መጨመር ብቻ ነው finished በዚህ መልኩ ስታሰሉት ያው ባላንስ ሆኗል ማለት ነው ወደዛኛው እንትን ጥያቄ ስንሄድ ማለት ነው በኩዌሽን ኢ ናይትሪክ አሲድ ከሃይድሮጅን ሰልፋይድ ጋር ወደስ በሚያደርጉ ጊዜ ናይትሪክ ኦክሳይድ ወተር እና ሰልፈር ይፈጠራል ነው ያለው ይሄ ትንሽ ወሰብሰብ ያለ ይመስላል ያው ሲስተማቲካል የሆነ ወይ ነው የምንጠቀመው ብለናል ምክንያቱም እዚህ ቆጠራ ወይም አካውንቲንግ ሜተድ ኦር ኢንስፔክሽን ኦር ትሪያል ኤረር ሜተድ የሚባለው ሲስተማቲካል የሆነ እይታ ያስፈልጋል ምን ጊዜ ቢሆን እዚህ ጋር ሃይድሮጅንን ፎከስ እናድርግ አሁንም because ሃይድሮጅን እዚህ ጋር ከሁለት ቦታ አለ በዚህ በኩል ያለው ኦድ ነው በዚህ በኩል ግን ኢቭን ነው ስለዚህ አንደኛው በኩል ኢቭን ከሆነ ኦድ የሆነውን ወደ ኢቭን መቀየር አለብን የግድ ነው ካልሆነ ይሄኛው ኢቭኑ ኦድ ሊሆንልን ስለማይችል ማለት ነው ሃይድሮጅኑ ኦድ ሊሆን አይችልም በማንኛውም ቁጥር ብታባዙት ሃይድሮጅን ኢቭን ነው የሚሆነው ውጤቱ ኦኬ ለምን ሁለት አለ ሁለት ማንኛውም ቁጥር ሲያባዛ ኢቭን ስለሆነ ውጤቱ የሚመጣው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ይሄን ኢቭን ለማድረግ የመጀመሪያውን ኢቭን ነምበር እንጠቀም መጀመሪያ ኢቭን ነምበር ሁለት ነው ኮኤፊሺየንት ተጠቀምና እዚህ በኋላ ሃይድሮጅን አራት ሆነ እዚህም አራት ማድረግ እንችላለን ነገር ግን አራት አልመጣልንም ሞክረናል አይታችኋል ምን እናደርጋለን እዚህ ጋር ኦክሲጅን በጣም ስለሚበዛብን እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ነው የምናደርገው ለጊዜው ለምንድን ነው ሁለት የምናደርገው ካላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ናይትሮጅን ሁለት ስለሆነ 2 times 1 2 ናይትሮጅን ስላለ 2 እናደርጋለን እዚህ ጋር ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር ሃይድሮጅን ነው አሁን እንቀይረው እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ብናደርገው አይመጣልንም ሶስት ብናደርገውሳ እስቲ እንሞክረው ብለናል 3 ጊዜ 2 6 እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ 2 ጊዜ 1 2 2 እና 6 8 ሃይድሮጅን ቢመጣ እዚህ ጋር 4 ኮኤፊሺየንት እንሰጣለን ለውሃ ብለናል ለወተር ሞለኪውል ኦኬ ይሄን ስናደርግ ሰልፈር እዚህ ጋር 3 አድርገናል በሪአክታንት በኩል ስለዚህ በፕሮዳክት 3 ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ነው በዚህ መልኩ ኢኩዌሽኑ ባላንስድ ሆነ ማለት ነው ያንዳንዱ ዝርዝር ስትገቡ ሃይድሮጅን እዚህ ጋር 2 አለ ፕላስ እዚህ ጋር 6 አለ 2 እና 6 8 ይመጣል ናይትሮጅን 2 አለ ኦክሲጅን 2 ጊዜ 3 6 አለ እንደገና ሰልፈር እዚህ ጋር 3 ጊዜ 1 3 አለ በፕሮዳክት በኩልም እንደዚህ ታሰሉት ተመሳሳይ ናይትሮጅኑ 2 ነው ኦክሲጅኑ 2 እና 4 6 ነው ሃይድሮጅኑ እዚህ ጋር 4 ጊዜ 2 8 ነው ሰልፈር እዚህ ጋር 3 ነው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር question number 2a ሶዲየም ብሮማይድ ከክሎሪን ጋዝ ጋር ሲዋሃድ ሶዲየም ክሎራይድ እና ብሮሚን የሚባል ነገር ይፈጠራል ነው አሁን ክሎሪን እና ብሮሚን አዮዲን ናይትሮጅን ኦክሲጅን የሚባሉ ንጥረ ነገሮች ዳአቶሚክ ሆነው ነው የሚገኙት it is just natural and international convention they are found as the atomic molecular element okay by international convention okay ስለዚህ ሁለት ከሆነ በሪአክታንት ሳይድ ክሎሪን ሁለት ነው Cl2 means ሁለት ክሎሪን አለን በፕሮዳክት ግን Cl ሶዲየም ክሎራይድ NaCl ተብሎ ነው የተጻፈው ስለዚህ ይሄን ክሎሪን ሁለት ለማድረግ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ቁጥርን መጻፍ አንችልም ኮኤፊሺየንት ነው የምናደርገው ኮኤፊሺየንት እናደርጋለን ኮኤፊሺየንቱ ስናደርግ ሶዲየምንም ክሎሪንም ነው የሚያደርግልን ሶዲየም ሁለት ከሆነ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር አሁንም ሁለት እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው ፊትለፊቱ እዚህ ጋር ሶዲየም ሁለት ነው ብሮሚን ሁለት ነው ብሮሚን በአጋጣሚ እዚህ ጋር ኦሬዲ ሁለት ነው ስለዚህ ባላንስ ሆነ ማለት ነው ይህ ካልሲየም ካርቦኔት ከሃይድሮክሎሪክ አሲድ ጋር ሲዋሃድ ካልሲየም ክሎራይድ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ እና ወተር ይፈጠራል it's obvious ግልጽ ነው እና በዚህ ሂደት ክሎሪን ሁለት ነው ሃይድሮጅን ሁለት ነው በፕሮዳክት በኩል ያለው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ግን አንዳንድ ነው የነበረ ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን ሲምፕሊ ሁለትን ፊት ለፊት ማስቀመጥና ክሎሪን ሃይድሮጅን ሁለት ይሆናል ክሎሪንም ሁለት ይሆናል ማለት ነው finished እዚህ ጋር ሲልቨር ኦክሳይድ ነው ሲልቨር ኦክሳይድ ዲኮምፖዝ በሚያደርግ ጊዜ ወደ ሲልቨር ሜታል እና ወደ ኦክሲጅን ጋዝ ነው ዲኮምፖዝ የሚያደርገው ኦክሲጅን ጋዝ ማለት ደግሞ O2 ነው አሁን ኦክሲጅን ሁለት ከሆነ በሪአክታንት በኩል ግን አንድ ነው የነበረ ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን ኮኤፊሺየንት ቱን እንጨምርለታለን እዚህ ጋር ስናደርግ ሁለት ጊዜ አንድ ሁለት ሆነ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት አለ እዚህ ጋር አንድ ነው አንድ ጊዜ ሁለት ነው ሲልቨር እዚህ ጋር ችግር ቁጥር የሲልቨር ናት ኮኤፊሺየንት የሲልቨርም የኦክሲጅንም ናት ችግር ቁጥር የሲልቨር ብቻ ናት ስለዚህ ሁለት ጊዜ አራት ሲልቨር አለን በዚህ በኩል ደግሞ ምንም የለንም ስለዚህ ኮኤፊሺየንት ማድረግ ብቻ ነው አራት ሲልቨር finished በዚህ መልኩ ኢኩዌሽኑ ባላንስ ሆነ ማለት ነው ኦኬ ያልገባችሁ ነገር ጥያቄ አስቀምጡ ኮሜንት ላይ ኦኬ ሰብስክራይብ ለማለት ወደ ኋላ አትበሉ ላይክ እና ሼር አድርጉ ኦኬ በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑልኝ